Hey, many of us have a common problem. So my name's Scott Rulon. I've been a CPA for 33 years. And one of the things I've noticed is when we have our job, we don't get enough of a raise each year to really make a difference in what you're doing. So we work so hard for our boss and that we're just never going to get paid exactly what we're worth. And that's okay. You may love your job, but maybe that's where you're not going to end up in the end. So, what do you want? Well, I know if you're anything like me, that I wanted to learn how to make money from home. I didn't want somebody else controlling when I could see my wife or when I could spend time with my son or even what time I had to get up in the morning. You know what? I spent so many hours commuting that it wasn't even funny. And by the time I got to my job, I was already tired. So I bet you wonder what I do. Well, if you like this, you'll love what I do. So it's like walking through a dark alley. But to make it through a dark alley, you need to have a light to help you see the way. Today, you're going to learn that light and you're going to learn how to make money and lots of it. It's not an instant thing, but it does happen over time. Now's your chance. Don't let it go. These kind of opportunities are just not around forever. Thank you so much for listening.